Hi there, I'm Andy Robertson at KTDC, and today I'd like to give you a bit of a tip about how to outline your reading passage in the IELTS reading test. Did you know that many of the questions on the IELTS reading test require you to match main ideas or information from the paragraphs in the passage? A mistake that many students make is they try to answer the question straight away without first doing an outline. So after you've previewed the passage, you need to find the main idea of every single paragraph so you know where the information is. For example, the first paragraph is the introduction and the main idea of the essay. There are two main types of pizza in the world, American pizza and Italian pizza. The second paragraph's main idea deals with the advantages of the American pizza. Paragraph 3, the disadvantages of the American pizza. The fourth paragraph deals with the advantages of Italian pizza, and the fifth paragraph, the disadvantages of Italian pizza. And then paragraph 6 is the conclusion. Now this sounds complicated, but it's actually very, very easy. All you need to do is give a small title or a label to every body paragraph, and this will tell you quickly what information is inside each paragraph. This will make it much, much easier for you and quicker when you have to match paragraphs and quickly go to the correct paragraph. It's like a contents page or a home page of a website. Quickly go to the correct paragraph to find the information. If you spend 2 or 3 minutes outlining your passage first, then you'll go to the information quicker and you will actually save your time and you'll be more accurate in finding your answers. So next time you do IELTS reading, don't forget, outline the passage. This is something you can learn in my classes at KTDC. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.